connecting with your higher self through Reiki. If you found this video, I trust that this is meant for you. To receive, comment below yes if you are open, willing, and ready to receive. Go ahead and take in a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, thinking the word release. Drop your shoulders. Take in a deep breath. Exhale, thinking the word release. We're going to activate this healing frequency. This is to connect with your higher self. Take in a deep breath. Through this healing frequency, we are also connecting and we are bridging the lower chakras with our higher chakras. So often there feels like a need to connect with the higher frequencies and the higher chakras in order to connect with your highest self. And what I want to suggest is a different way of healing. Take in a deep breath. We're going to emphasize this on your throat chakra. The more you release low frequencies, the higher you're naturally going to vibrate. When you release those low frequencies from your physical, your energetic bodies, what's happening is you're increasing your capacity for more, for higher frequencies. Take in a deep breath. I'm going to activate your heart chakra for a specific quantum illumination Reiki, a healing frequency. Take in a deep breath. Release the low frequencies, naturally vibrate higher. With quantum illumination Reiki, that is exactly what we're doing. We're bypassing time and space. Notice I didn't use a distance symbol. Begin another deep breath. Quantum illumination Reiki is the newest, most powerful style of Reiki to date. I personally channeled it, vibrating at a 5D plus frequency. We're playing the energy also in the quantum field. Life force energy is literally all around us. All you have to do is grab and heal. Take another deep breath. Noticing a lump in my throat. So breathe into that energy and let's go ahead and add, let's just layer this on. Feeling called, what's coming through to tell you is that your essence, the essence of who you are, free from the doubts, the shame, the guilt, the fear, and things that have been weighing you down, is that direct connection to your highest self, to you, your purest self. It's not that you need to completely rid yourself of all of those things because you're human. That's part of the human experience. I would say you're high vibrating soul having a human experience. Ooh, I just got chills all down. This is my right side. Oh my gosh, all down my right side. You're a high vibrating soul having a human experience. Can't bypass the subconscious mind. It's going to try to keep you safe. So the more that you release, the closer home to you get. You are not lost. It's simply a coming home, a remembering, a stepping into that soul essence, your highest self. Taking a deep breath. Feeling called to add in a higher frequency. This is like 10th chakra energy. Notice the sensations in your body. Remember, no two sessions are ever the same. No two healing videos are ever the same. You will likely not experience them the same, even when you rewatch this or any of my other videos. Definitely go check out some of my other healing videos, including shorts, potent, powerful healing. Whatever you're feeling is normal. Breathe into it. Do not run from it. Breathe into it. Move towards it. This healing frequency can make you feel ungrounded, kind of like you're floaty. Feeling like I want to yawn right now, which is energy moving out. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm not tired, I promise. Energy moving out. This is a good sign. Just like, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes into the healing. Let me go ahead and add in some grounding for you as well. As above, so below, but then you're not left feeling really floaty. And I want you to just take in a deep breath. And I want you to connect with your highest self. Take in a deep breath. You are the essence of her. She is the essence of you. That's what is coming through. There's nothing you have to do. Just simply be, connect. What does she want you to know? Feel and experience. How does she want you to move? What's the wisdom that she has to share with you? Finish the healing session with that specific question with this high frequency. Take in a deep breath and just ask, what wisdom do you have to share? What is it that I need to know right now? Take in another deep breath. Thank you so much for receiving today. Just want to share some post healing tips for you that are very useful. What you received is a high frequency, 5D plus healing frequencies. So make sure you drink plenty of water. I'm pointing at my water. Plenty of water. We moved out a lot of low frequencies. Grab your journal. If you have it near you right now, go ahead and write out what wisdom came through for you. Feel free to save this and come back to it time and time again. Also, hop in the comments. Let me know. What did you feel? What did you experience? Did you see something? What did you hear as the wisdom or what you need to know right now? And feel free to chat with the other people that are in the comments as well and get to know what their experience was too. Because I find that really fun. It's a beautiful way to connect with like-minded souls as well. I promise you, we're sprinkled all over the world. And if you want to learn this style of Reiki, you can grab the information, my free Quantum Illumination Reiki Insider in the caption. You want to skip the line and you want to learn more about the certification program by having a conversation with me, I will also link that. Just DM me the word quantum and I will send that information your way. Thank you so much for receiving today. Know that over the coming days, because this is a subconscious shift, step into awareness. Pay attention to the synchronicities, the aha moments, how you're living, how you're being, and the downloads that are coming through. Journal on them and make sure that you come back and let us know what you continue to experience. I'll see you in the next video.